In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Forms public. This is a crucial step if you're looking to gather responses from a wide audience without the hassle of managing access permissions individually. It's an easy process, and I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you get it right. First, ensure you have your Google form ready to be shared. Start by opening the Google form that you want to make public. Once you're in the form editor, you'll notice several options at the top, including questions and settings. Click on the Settings gear icon, which is situated at the top right corner. This will open a new window with some options you need to configure. You'll see 3 different tabs: General, Presentation, and Quizzes. Stay on the General tab for now. Here, you want to focus on the section that deals with who can fill out this form. By default, Google Forms restrict access to users within your organization or institution. To make your form public, you need to uncheck the box that says Restrict to Users. If you're doing this on a personal Google account, just ensure that no organization restriction is applied. This change ensures that anyone with the link can access your form and participate. Once you've adjusted these settings, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. Now you've set your Google form to be accessible to anyone with the link. But we're not done yet. Now it's time to share your form with the world. To do this, you'll need to retrieve the link for your Google form, which is conveniently located under the Send button. Find this at the top right corner of the form editor. Click the Send button and you'll see a new window with several ways to share your form. Select the Link tab, which is symbolized by a small chain icon. You'll see the full URL right there, but it can be quite long and cumbersome to manage. Google allows you to shorten the URL directly within this window by checking the option Shorten URL. This makes your link easier to share and remember. Once the URL is shortened, click the Copy button to copy the link to your clipboard. With the link copied, you can now distribute it as you see fit. Paste it into an email, post it on social media, or embed it into a website, whatever you prefer. Remember that anyone with this link can now access your form and submit their responses, so make sure that you're ready to handle and assess the attention it receives. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Google form public. Ensuring your form is accessible is important for gathering data efficiently from a broad audience. And with these steps, you are now prepared to share your form widely. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.